Hello YouTubers, today we're going to the Water Wizard FasTrak car wash at the Loaf and Jug in Fort Collins, Colorado off of Timberline Rd in Harmony.
Oh, not another Water Wizard!
This time it's a FasTrak instead of a 1.0.
So does that mean 2.0 or even newer?
Well, it's rare.
Oh boy. Rare means old.
I mean, it's
Are we gonna have water spots again?
Hope we don't.
You know what? It's by the Roadhouse. Let's just skip the car wash and go to the Roadhouse.
Roadhouse.
I'm full, actually. $30 a visit. Yep. They have one right by the other store we were at. Oh, so we brought you a lot of car washes, guys. And this is the most car washes that we've hit in a condensed space of time.
Last car wash was bogus, guys.
I know, right?
Bogus.
It left a lot of spots all over the car, bad enough to where it ruins your paint.
It was terrible.
In 500 feet, turn right onto Timberwood Drive,
actually passed
then
the
turn
light?
right.
Yep.
Okay, moving over.
Bicycle, kidding.
Oh, God.
Now turn right onto Timberwood Drive.
That wasn't funny. Okay, here we go. And then it'll be on the right.
Yep.
This is at the
Now
Loaf of
turn
Bread.
right.
Yep.
And we've got a cowboy walking in the store.
Yep.
He actually has a cowboy hat.
And
Now
go to the
your
right.
destination is on the left.
Well, we can go under the gas station.
Oh, shoot.
The entrance on...
Where's the entrance?
You're on the exit side.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, I did that earlier too. I'm like, oh, it's so backwards.
But here's the exit side, y'all.
Yeah, that's why I did this.
Correct.
$13.
OMG.
Ooh. Can
Definitely,
you go in and ask for a discount, please?
it's definitely spaghetti night at the apartment.
Let's see if this machine takes cash since we're in
ramen.
Colorado.
Top.
Okay, let me show you the menu.
Just sleep in your car.
Are you doing the $9 express?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please add payment for your selection.
There's cones because they knew the cameraman was coming. Now, as a joke, after we finish the car wash, let's come back around. I'll put a cone in front of it.
And now go to Unitech Wash Select Pay Station.
This is a Unitech Wash Select Pay Station, and this is wash number 822.
Okay, now it stopped. The whole wash has ended. Took too long to go in.
And we got speed bumps instead of rails.
Now, this is not a 1.0. This is not a 2.0. It's a what?
A FasTrak, and this is my first FasTrak ever.
Oh, my goodness. This is our first?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
These are rare.
Rare, yeah.
These are rare.
Yeah, so rare. And it's on the FasTrak.
Yeah.
I mean, it's going to go really fast.
And it's got a Coleman, Hanna. What are those things called? The real names of these things that come around?
Are you talking about like...
These yellow things on each side.
That could be a machine arch, an arm.
Okay. And this has two. Isn't it normally a pre-soak to start?
Yeah, it's
It
pre-soaking
is.
right now.
Oh, pre-soaks with soap. Okay.
What else would you pre-soak with?
I just thought they gave it a hard spray at first.
No.
We've been doing these car washes for,
They always
geez,
start with the pre-soak.
about 15 years. And I didn't remember.
pre-soak so far.
Yep.
Now, most importantly, the stuff got to come off the car.
Yeah.
There is
all that
no
bad stuff.
question
Yeah.
Question what?
that this is going to be a good one.
Why you say that?
Because you can feel the power.
I'm not feeling it.
There's a song from the 80s that says, I got the power.
That's probably horrible. That's better.
That's the wheel blaster.
Now that feels powerful.
Yep.
I think this will make up for yesterday.
They don't have really that much pressure on the side arms. Same with the top. Right now it's saying washing. Okay, triple shine.
I think it's a double shine. Do you think we'll actually get the triple?
Nice. It's all thick, nicely coated.
I see
Yep.
4 colors. Kind of. No, I see 3.
Now, most importantly, I hope the stuff rinse off because I think it was so thick last time that it didn't rinse off.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which stage are we in now?
Okay, showing clear coat.
Okay.
But it's still soap on there. You see it's like going
I
down
know,
the side
right?
of the windows.
We'll get rid of that in Kansas.
No. I want a refund, guys. I'm gonna write a letter.
I wonder how much we've spent on car washes since we started taking them to car washes.
$1 million.
1,000? 10,000?
$1 million.
Okay, washing.
Okay, here we go. Got to get over the hump here. And then the rear tire's got to go over the hump. And now we can draw.
Yep. Caution, exit may be icy. So
Yeah,
I bet it
just
ice
not
during
now.
winter. Like if it's winter here. So it's good to have a caution sign. And that logo looks like a Kroger.
Yeah, well, yeah, they're owned by Kroger.
Nice.
Are we done, guys?
Yep.
Well, he's got to do his, you know, final sign off,
And there's
and then we'll
the
switch drivers.
Loaf and Jug gas station
Yeah,
and a Loaf and Jug convenience store.
absolutely.
Anyways, thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and buy YouTubers. This was a Water Wizard Fast Track car wash at the Loaf and Jug gas station. Bye.